the 13 of Brandon Nash. That leaves the 74 Sam Portman on the outside front row. Yep, there we go. And the red one is the 3. And we are racing. Once they get the momentum up, don't stop them. They try not to live too hard in the middle of the corner and keep the gas off.
Get him!
Everybody looking okay. Green. Brent Phillips looking to go to the inside. Watch out, gotta save your tires. You get squirrely in these things. They're pretty stiff, pretty rigid. Down the back stretch, on the pole, the point man, 37X Flying Thunder, making it look like it's easy. Out front, hit the rev limiter. 74 Sam Norman trying to hang on to it. Sound like a bunch of machines talking to each other. Down on the bottom,
Come on, buddy, get it!
23. AJ Correa is going to be relegated back to 4th. 51, Ryan Pierce in the 5th spot. Oh, 74 got sideways. That struck off the speed. Behind him. And he got his momentum back up quickly. Halfway, 10 down, 10 to go. 10 down, 10 to go. This time by.
There you go. There you go.
Down the back stretch, 74, Sam Corbin relegated back to 3rd. And now the 3 has the whole track to work with while they try to figure out the on and down up front. I don't think he's on the lap set. Unless something happens at 37. Meanwhile, Clyde Tucker and that 37X out in front, man, they look easy. Looks like the Ford sports cars when you look at it from the front.